Hello dear student, welcome to this class. I am Krishna Chandra Rai. I will teach you chemistry and today's topic is haloalkanes and haloaries belong to organic chemistry. Okay, first of all I would like to tell you what is the organic compounds, then I will tell you the haloalkanes and haloaries and what is the main difference between haloalkanes and haloaries. Okay, we know that hydrocarbons are regarded as the parent or compounds of all the organic compounds. Different classes of organic compounds can be obtained by replacing hydrogen by different functional group. When hydrogen is replaced by functional group to form that kind of organic compound. In alcohol, the hydrogen atom is replaced by hydroxy group to form alcohol. When haloalkanes, hydrogen atom is replaced from hydrocarbons by halogen atoms. Halogen atom may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. You know, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine belonging to 17 group in the periodic table known as halogen family. Member of halogen family. Okay. Now today we will discuss about the haloalkanes. Here halo is equal to halogen atom, and halogen atom represented with X. X is equal to maybe fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Alkanes belong to saturated hydrocarbon, Okay, you know what is the hydrocarbon? Now, first of all, we can say that the halogen derivatives of alkane is known as haloalkanes. The halogen derivatives of alkanes, that means when the hydrogen atoms is replaced by halogen atom to form haloalkanes. On the basis of number of halogen atom, the haloalkanes may be monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes, trihaloalkanes and tetrahaloalkanes, etc. When one hydrogen atom replaced by one halogen atom from alkane is called monohaloalkanes. When two hydrogen atoms replaced from alkanes by two halogen atoms is called dihaloalkanes. When three hydrogen atoms replaced by three halogen atoms is called trihaloalkanes, so on. Now let us give an example. Methane is the first member of alkane series we know. When one hydrogen atom replaced from methane by one halogen atom, it forms one halogen atom. You can take chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. Okay, one halogen atom, it forms CH3X monohalogen compound, monohaloalkanes. When two hydrogen atom replaced from methane by two halogen atom to form CH2X2 dihaloalkanes. Dihalomethanes, you can say as dihalomethanes. When three hydrogen atom replaced from methane by 3 halogen atom to form CH3 trihalomethane. When 4 hydrogen atom replaced from methane by 4 halogen atom to form CH4 tetrahalomethane. Okay, this is monohalomethanes, dihalomethanes, trihalomethanes and tetrahalomethanes. And this classifications depends upon the number of hydrogen atoms replaced by halogen atoms from alkanes. Okay, now first, monohaloalkanes in generally known as alkyl halide, also is known as alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Monohaloalkanes you can write as RX. X indicate the fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine, and R indicate alkyl group. X indicate the halogen group and R indicate the alkyl group. Clear? Now, the alkyl halides further classified on the basis of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. Alkyl halide, or you can say monohaloalkanes, further classified on the basis of nature of carbon atom to which halogen atom is attached. Now, classification of second topic, classification of alkyl halide or monohaloalkanes. Monohaloalkanes. Okay. The alkyl halide classified on the basis of nature of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached as primary alkyl halide or on 1 degree alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide, you can say 1 degree alkyl halide. Why this is called 1 degree alkyl halide? In primary alkyl halide, the halogen atom is attached to the 1 degree carbon atoms or primary carbon atoms in the chain. Okay, suppose CH3, CH2 and CH3. We take in third member of alkane series propane, and when hydrogen atom of this propane replaced by this carbon from this carbon atom or this carbon atom, it forms CH3, CH2, CH2 and X. And this is known as primary alkyl halide or 1 degree alkyl halide. Why this is called 1 degree alkyl halide? Because this carbon is 1 degree carbon. 1 degree carbon. This carbon is 2 degree carbon, and this carbon also called 1 degree carbon. Why this is called 1 degree carbon? You know very well. When one carbon atom attached to another carbon atom is called 1 degree carbon atom. When one carbon atom attached to another carbon atom is called 2 degree carbon atom. When one carbon atom attached with another carbon atom is called tertiary carbon atom. When one carbon atom attached for another carbon atom is called quaternary carbon atom. So here 1 degree carbon to 1 degree carbon, this carbon 1 degree, this carbon 1 degree, but this carbon is 2 degree nature. Because this carbon attached with 2 carbon atoms. Okay. So it is called 2-degree carbon atom. When halogen atom attaches this carbon or this carbon, it is called primary or 1-degree alkyl halide. This is the example of 1-degree alkyl halide. And the IPC name of this carbon is 1-halopropane. It may be chlorine, bromine, iodine. Then in this situation, when it will chlorine and 1-chloropropane, when it will bromine, 1-bromopropane, when it will fluorine, 1-fluoropropane, etc. Okay, and this is the example of 1-degree alkyl halide. Okay, next is 2-degree alkyl halides. 2-degree alkyl, or you can write here second number, secondary alkyl halide, or 2-degree alkyl halide. Same definitions. When halogen atom attaches with 2-degree carbon atoms or secondary carbon atom is called secondary alkyl halides or 2-degree alkyl halides. You can write the definitions here. When halogen atom attaches to the secondary carbon or 2-degree carbon atom on the chain is called 2-degree alkyl halide. Clear? Let us give an example. CH3 CH3X. This is the example of 2-degree alkyl halide. Okay, alkyl propene है आप. Okay, alkyl halide. Okay, next is 3-degree alkyl halides. 3-degree alkyl halide. ये third one is 3-degree alkyl halides, or you can say tertiary alkyl halides. Tertiary alkyl halide. In case of tertiary alkyl halides, the halogen atom attached to the tertiary carbon atom is called tertiary alkyl halide. Let us give example here. CH3, CH3 and CH3. This is the quaternary carbon atom. But when this group substituted by halogen atom, this group or this group or this group maybe, okay, when this group substituted by halogen, then this carbon attached with another carbon, and it is called 3-degree carbon. Okay, and the halogen atom attached to the 3-degree carbon atom, so it is the example of 3-degree alkyl halide. Okay, this is the member of butane. One bond satisfied with halogen atom, so it is known butyl. You can say tertiary butyl halide. Okay, and it may be chlorine, bromine or iodine, you know. Suppose CH3C, CH3 and Br. Then the name of this compound tertiary butyl bromide. Clear? The name of this compound is tertiary butyl bromide. और इन IPC सिस्टम में, IPC सिस्टम 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. Clear? So the definitions of haloalkanes, we can say the halogen derivatives of alkane called haloalkanes. In one word, both the term haloalkanes and haloarenes you can define as the halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon. When hydrogen is replaced from aliphatic, form haloalkanes. When hydrogen is replaced from arenes to form haloarenes. And in next video we will discuss about the haloarenes. Clear? Now, okay, thank you, all the best, dear student.